In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your orders in Temu Shop. Whether you're a dedicated shopper or just checking up on that one special purchase, knowing how to efficiently track your orders is essential. So let's dive right into it. First and foremost, you'll want to open up your web browser and navigate to the Temu Shop website. Simply type in the URL in the search bar or click on the link if you have it saved somewhere. It's always a good idea to bookmark the websites you frequently visit for quicker access in the future. Once the site has loaded, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the home page. This is where all the shopping magic begins. Now pay close attention to the upper right corner of the screen. This is where you'll typically find options related to your account. It's designed to be easily accessible, allowing you to quickly navigate to your personal information and settings. Hover your cursor over this area and you'll likely see a few different options appear. The next step is to click on your profile icon. This icon is usually represented by a small avatar or a silhouette image. Once clicked, a drop-down menu or a new page will open, presenting you with a variety of choices related to your account management. It's like a dashboard of all your past and current interactions with the shop. In this menu, look for the option labeled Your Orders. Clicking on this will transport you to another page that compiles all your previous transactions in an orderly fashion. Here, you can view details such as the status of current deliveries, past orders, and potentially any returns or exchanges you've initiated. It's a handy feature that provides immediate insight into your shopping history, ensuring you're always in the loop. For the organized shopper, consider taking a quick note of your order numbers and dates, especially if you're juggling multiple purchases. This can save you time should you need to reference specific transactions later. Additionally, if you encounter any issues or have doubts about an order, having the habit of regularly checking this section can help you spot discrepancies early on, enabling timely communication with customer service. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to check your orders on Temu Shop. This straightforward process keeps you connected and informed about your purchases, enhancing your overall shopping experience. Remember, the more familiar you are with navigating your account, the more seamless your online shopping endeavors will become. Thank you for tuning in and happy shopping.